Are you ready to discover a natural way to feel better? There's a secret hiding in your spice rack. This golden wonder has been used for centuries to boost health. Get ready to unlock the power of turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice often recognized by its vibrant hue and earthy aroma. This golden powder is derived from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, which is a member of the ginger family. It comes from a plant in the ginger family, thriving in the tropical climates of South Asia. The plant's lush green leaves and thick roots are a common sight in these regions. People in India have used turmeric for over 4,000 years. This ancient spice has been a cornerstone of Indian culture, deeply embedded in their culinary traditions and medicinal practices. It's a staple in their food and medicine. From the rich curries to the healing concoctions of Ayurveda, turmeric's presence is ubiquitous. Its warm, peppery flavor enhances dishes, while its medicinal properties are revered in traditional healing. Turmeric gets its color and health benefits from a special ingredient, curcumin. This powerful compound is responsible for the spice's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a valuable addition to both diet and health regimens. Think of curcumin as turmeric's superpower. It fights inflammation, boosts immunity, and even supports brain health. Modern science continues to uncover the myriad benefits of this golden spice, validating what ancient cultures have known for millennia. Today, turmeric is celebrated worldwide. It's not just limited to Indian kitchens, it has found its way into global cuisines and wellness routines. From golden lattes to turmeric-infused skincare, its versatility is unmatched. Turmeric supplements are now popular, offering a convenient way to incorporate this powerful spice into daily life. Whether in capsule form or as a powder, the benefits of turmeric are accessible to all. Embrace the golden spice of life. Whether you savor it in your meals, sip it in your drinks, or use it in your beauty routine, turmeric's golden touch can enhance your well-being in countless ways. What is inflammation? It's your body's way of fighting off harmful things. But sometimes inflammation can stick around too long and cause problems. This is where turmeric shines. Curcumin in turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory. It helps calm down your body's inflammatory response. This can be helpful for many health issues. Research suggests that turmeric can provide a wide range of health benefits. It may help with easing joint pain. Turmeric can help people with achy joints feel better, supporting brain health. Turmeric may help keep your brain sharp, boosting your mood. Some studies show that turmeric can lift your spirits. Golden milk and beyond, adding turmeric to your plate. Ready to enjoy the benefits of turmeric? This golden spice has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its vibrant color, but also for its numerous health benefits. From boosting your immune system to reducing inflammation, turmeric is a powerhouse ingredient that can easily be incorporated into your daily meals. It's easy to add to your diet. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, turmeric can be your new best friend. Its mild, earthy flavor pairs well with a variety of dishes, making it a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. A popular way is golden milk. This soothing beverage is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Made with milk, turmeric, and a blend of warming spices like cinnamon and ginger, golden milk is the perfect drink to unwind with after a long day. It's a warm, comforting drink made with milk, turmeric, and other spices. You can customize it to your liking by adding a touch of honey for sweetness or a pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of turmeric's active compound, curcumin. You can sprinkle turmeric on roasted vegetables, stir it into soups, or even mix it into your favorite salad dressings. The possibilities are endless. Turmeric adds a beautiful golden hue and a subtle depth of flavor to any dish, or add it to smoothies. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing smoothie that not only tastes great, but also gives you a health boost. Blend turmeric with fruits like mango, pineapple, or banana, and add a splash of coconut milk for a tropical twist. Get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different ingredients and discover new ways to incorporate turmeric into your meals. From breakfast to dinner and even dessert, this versatile spice can enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your dishes. So why not start today? Embrace the golden goodness of turmeric and transform your meals into vibrant, health-boosting creations. Turmeric, the versatile spice. Turmeric is incredibly versatile. This golden spice, derived from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, has been used for centuries in various cultures for its culinary and medicinal properties. Its vibrant color and unique flavor make it a staple in many kitchens around the world. It can be used in sweet and savory dishes alike. From curries and soups to smoothies and desserts, turmeric adds a distinct taste and a wealth of health benefits. Here are some ideas to incorporate this versatile spice into your daily meals. Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie for an anti-inflammatory boost. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Blend it with fruits like mango, pineapple, or banana for a delicious and nutritious start to your day. Stir a teaspoon or two into your favorite soup recipe for added flavor and health benefits. Whether it's a hearty vegetable soup, a creamy lentil soup, or a classic chicken soup, turmeric can enhance the taste and provide a warm, earthy undertone. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe your body, especially during the colder months. Toss vegetables with olive oil and turmeric before roasting for a vibrant and healthy side dish. The combination of turmeric and olive oil not only adds a beautiful golden hue to your vegetables, but also boosts their nutritional value. Try it with carrots, cauliflower, or sweet potatoes for a delicious and colorful addition to your meal. Another great way to enjoy turmeric is by making a soothing turmeric tea. Simply simmer a teaspoon of turmeric powder in water or milk, add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and sweeten with honey or maple syrup. This warm beverage is perfect for relaxing in the evening and can help support your immune system. Don't forget about baking. Turmeric can be a surprising yet delightful addition to your baked goods. Add a teaspoon to your muffin or cookie batter for a unique twist. The subtle, earthy flavor pairs well with spices like cinnamon and ginger, creating a delicious and aromatic treat. Beyond the kitchen, turmeric is also a popular ingredient in skincare. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it an excellent choice for face masks and scrubs. Mix turmeric with yogurt or honey to create a natural face mask that can help brighten your skin and reduce acne. If you're looking for a more convenient way to enjoy the benefits of turmeric, consider taking it as a supplement. Turmeric capsules or tablets are widely available and can be an easy addition to your daily routine. Just be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. As you can see, turmeric is a truly versatile spice that can enhance both your culinary creations and your overall well-being. Whether you're adding it to your meals, drinks, or skincare routine, this golden spice is sure to bring a touch of warmth and health to your life. So go ahead, explore the many ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine and enjoy its myriad benefits. Safety and considerations. Turmeric is generally safe for most people to enjoy in moderate amounts. However, it's always best to talk to your doctor before adding any new supplements to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Turmeric, a world of flavor and wellness. Turmeric is more than just a spice. It's a gateway to a world of flavor and wellness. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you're not just adding a dash of color and taste, but also embracing a holistic approach to health. Embrace the power of turmeric. Ready to experience the incredible benefits of turmeric for yourself? Start by adding a pinch to your next meal and see how this golden spice can transform your health and well-being. Join the Holistic Wellness Realm community. For more tips on natural health and wellness, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Holistic Wellness Realm. We're here to guide you on your journey to a healthier and happier you. Your health journey starts now. Remember, taking care of your health is a lifelong adventure. Embrace the power of nature's gifts like turmeric and unlock your full potential. Here's to a healthier, happier you.